everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, PA weather, you get some life in there, as well as puppies, lots of puppies, although they have all reached 1 year old now, so are they still puppies? They act like it. If you're new, I'm Laura. I sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Loki's here. He's the white pupper. Dexter's also in the room. He is the beagle. We also have my son's dog, who is a Jack Russell. That's Willie. And sometimes Harvey, our kitty, makes an appearance. It is Sunday morning. Lots to do today. I have like 2 videos I'm trying to get done. 3 or 4 would be better, but I don't think I'm going to make it. And I have a grocery pickup. I have, lots going on today. It's 31, getting up to 40 right now, and yesterday was so nice. The wind was cool, but the sun was out and the temperatures hit, I think, like 50, 56, 58. By the end of this week, we're supposed to have like a couple 70-degree days. Like, hallelujah, right? It goes back down again because this is Pennsylvania. It's all over the place, but I feel like spring is coming, and maybe the groundhog didn't get it right this time. He always thinks there's going to be 6 more weeks of winter. All right, so for my outfit today, I have on Michael Starr's pants. I have on a Michael Starr's tank. You might remember this from, I wore this traveling, I think one time last year. My shoes are my Dolce Vita tennies. Love these. And then I have on a jacket that is from my Trendsend. It's by Evereve. This is also an early on item that I got like several years ago, but I love it. I pull it out to wear as often as I can. So I didn't put any jewelry on today. It's that kind of day, and we're off to the races. I hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. I have to think about it. I almost said Tuesday. That's how long of a day this has been, and it's only a little after 2 o'clock. So I'm ready for this day to be done. 37 degrees, that's the high. The low is in the 20s. There's no sun today. It's pretty cloudy. Got to run out one time today to hurry up and drop my taxes off. So it's tax season, right? And I am a little behind my normal schedule. So hopefully I can get that done. And I didn't forget anything. For my video today, it was my Armoire video, right? It was crazy that I lost 2 of the items, but they were super nice about it. They removed them they said they're lost, so they did send them to me, but the bag was like taped up, so I'm guessing they came out and are lost or taken. So they just removed them, and I'll get 2 extra in my next case. So Armoire is really easy to work with. I hope you do check out that video, though. The pieces I did get were great. And I think you may have seen them as well in real life in my outfit of the days. For today's outfit, I have on a pair of Sanctuary denim. I have on a Joan and Jenn cardigan from a JB Stylebox. I have on a Nikibiki tank, also from a JB Stylebox. And then I put on these fun shoes that are oldies but goodies from Sarto. Love those. And for jewelry, I just put on the necklace my husband got me, and that was it. I went straight to work. All right, I hope things are going well for you, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for up to the day. 57 degrees. That's the high. Rain today, but it's going to rain for like the next, I don't know, week or something. I think we have one day where there's sun, but there's a lot of rain coming. But at least the temperatures are good. And for my outfit today, I have on, I think, my last Armoire item, the tan Paige denim, paired with this fun sweater that I got from Anthropologie. I remember from my Anthropologie haul. For shoes, these fun Jeffrey Campbell. I like these. They're so cute. And for jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me. It's been a really busy week, so I was in a hurry to get my day started because I had a lot going on, so I didn't even take the time. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. We finally made it to hump day. And it is now 2 o'clock, so I made it over the hump. Rainy day today, 54 degrees. That's pretty much the high. The low is only about 48, so that's really nice. my Stitch Fix posted today, and I ended up keeping just the black Nick and Zoe tank because I always am looking for basic tanks. And I did end up keeping the Z Supply jacket. I like the very like creamy color. Decided it would be a great neutral, and it should pack really well and travel really well. So that was it. For my outfit today, I got dressed super quickly because I had an early morning meeting. So I put on hidden denim. These are so comfortable. They're one of my favorites. I have on a tank from Z Supply, and then a American Eagle sweater, which I've already gotten several compliments on this sweater, so people like it. I didn't put shoes on because I'm not going anywhere until dinner tonight, and I'm changing my outfit. So it's my husband and my anniversary, so we're going out to dinner in the city, and I'm gonna switch out my outfit. Hopefully I can get a chance to record that for you. But it, yeah, it won't be this one. This was my work from home outfit. For jewelry, I have on just the necklace my husband got me, and I've been in back to back until I got a break right now. So, all right, that is a wrap on Wednesday work from home outfit. Hopefully you'll see one more here in a little bit. So I'm back with my evening outfit. So we are going out to dinner here in just a little bit. I did a simple, easy one and done. I have on a Z Supply dress that I got in a Trendsend. Paired it with high boots. These are from Dolce Vita. And then a Z Supply coat, because it is still chilly out at 55 right now, but it's raining. So once it's dark, it's going to feel even colder. I still just have on the necklace my husband got me. I didn't put any bracelets on because I was kind of worried about snagging this mesh dress. So we're just going to go with I think we're just going to stick with my permanent bracelets. And we're going to head out the door. All right, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. Look who's joining us today. Oh, Harvey. Harvey's here. Oh, buddy. He's like, okay, enough of that already. So he's joining us today. And the puppers are with my son, so I think he feels safe coming in here without all the craziness. And let's see, it's the end of my workday, so it's been a really busy week, that time of year, I think. And dinner last night was fabulous. For my outfit today, I have on Liverpool denim paired with a tank that I got from White House Black Market, and then I have on a sweater that's Threads for Thought from a Stitch Fix. For shoes, I have on Camuto from Trendsend. And then for jewelry again, just my necklace my husband got me. That's it. Tomorrow is Friday, finally. It's been a crazy week. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous day outside. The sun is out, 67 degrees. It feels amazing out there. So pretty. For my Friday Funny today, I am going to share how the puppers try to get Harvey to play with them. So this started outside. Harvey had gone out back, and then I closed the door because he wanted to be outside and wouldn't come back in. And then like 20 minutes later, the dogs wanted to go out, and I let them out the front door. And Dexter isn't coming like he's supposed to. And when I looked, he's running around something, and I'm like, who is out there with him? And I realized it was Harvey, so he's trying to get Harvey to play with them. And then Loki joins in, and I'm going to send you over to this short little video where Loki is trying to get his attention to play with him. So as you can see, Harvey has zero interest to play with these dogs, zero, but they keep trying to get his attention, to get him to play with them. Oh, it's funny, little animals. For my outfit today, I have on a pair of jeans that I got from Anthropologie. I have on my Ebby bralette. You know how much I love my Ebbies, paired with this cute little cardigan from Z Supply. For shoes, I'm going to actually get, I have a nail appointment today, and I'm going to get a polish change on my feet. So I just put on my flip-flops. I was so happy to get these out. It feels so nice outside. So I was so glad to get flip-flops out. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me, and that's it. It's been a busy, busy week. All right, so we're almost at the end of Outfit of the Day. I will see you tomorrow for one more. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. The news for today is it is 70 degrees outside. What? Yes, 70 degrees, high of 73. I think we're hitting the high at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Then it's going to go back down. Rain's going to come tomorrow, but it's 70 degrees. The sun is in, out, in, out. You're probably going to pick it up in the light here, but it's really nice outside. It feels so nice to walk outside. I think I said that yesterday too. It's amazing. All right, so let's see. My FabFitFun posted today, and I thought it was a good box, but of course I get to customize and get pieces that I like and want to give a try. And for my outfit today on this gorgeous Saturday, I have on Pistola denim with the fun little stars on them that are embroidered in. I got these from a JB Stylebox. I have a Daydreamer t-shirt on. This one just screams spring to me, warm weather. Paired it with an Evereve jacket. Both of these are from a Trendsend from Evereve. And then my shoes are my Dolce Vita little slip-ons. I love these. They're very comfortable, and they came in a Stitch Fix, and I got them on sale, and they were fabulous. What do you think, Loke? Loki's in the house. Dexter's here too. And that's a wrap on this week's Outfit of the Day. That's a wrap. I'll list all of my outfits down below. I can link directly to mine. I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll have all the boxes down below. If you'd like to give them a try, please use my link. It really helps my channel keep going. And I can't wait to hear what your favorites were. So please do comment down below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.